Meaning of extrusive.
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 Extrusive. The term extrusive refers to a type of volcanic rock formation that occurs when magma or lava cools and solidifies on the Earth's surface. These rocks are formed from the solidification of molten material that has been expelled onto the Earth's surface through volcanic vents or fissures. Extrusive rocks are typically fine-grained with a smooth texture and can be rich in minerals such as quartz, feldspar, and mica. Due to their formation process, extrusive rocks are often associated with volcanic activity and can be found in areas with a history of volcanic eruptions.